Want to edit a document directly from your mobile phone without installing any apps? This free online tool lets you edit your documents from your browser in just a few minutes, making it perfect for quick edits on the go. First, open any browser on your phone and search for Lumen. Open the first website that appears in the search results. Once you're on the website, click on the Upload File button, then tap Select from Device and choose the document you want to edit from your phone. Wait a few seconds while your document uploads. Once it opens in the editor, you can start making changes according to your needs. Now edit your document however you like. You can update text, fill in forms, add comments, insert signatures, highlight important sections, or make other changes using the built-in editing tools. The interface is simple and works smoothly on mobile devices. After you've finished editing, take a moment to review the document and make sure everything looks correct before downloading it. When you're satisfied with the final version, simply click on the download icon. Choose the quality or export option you prefer, then tap Save on your computer or the available download option to save the edited document to your device. Within a few seconds, your updated document will be downloaded and ready to use. You can now share it, email it, print it, or upload it wherever you need. This tool is perfect for editing assignments, resumes, contracts, business documents, forms, invoices, and PDFs directly from your mobile phone without needing a laptop. The best part is that everything works directly from your browser. There's no need to install any editing apps or pay for expensive software. Just upload your document, make your changes, download the final version, and you're done in just a few minutes.